Hello everyone, I am Miss Divya. So today we will start chapter number 2. We have just completed chapter number 1. I hope you all have done chapter number 1 in your notebooks, right? So still if you have not done chapter number 1 in your notebooks, please do today positively in your notebooks, okay? So today we are starting chapter number 2, that is whole numbers. I already told you what are whole numbers. So let's discuss again what are whole numbers. First of all, before telling you whole numbers, tell me what are natural numbers. Yes, exactly. So natural numbers are those which are starting from 1 till infinity. So natural numbers. Natural number starts from 1 and they are uncountable. They are uncountable. So they will end till infinity. They will never end. Now what is the difference between natural number and whole numbers? Only of 0. If I'll add 0 in the natural numbers, I'll get whole numbers. So there is only one difference between whole numbers and natural number, that is of 0. Natural number does not contain 0 and whole numbers have 0. Whole numbers start from 0 till infinity. Clear? So, one more thing. We'll also discuss here of successor and predecessor. What is successor? Beta, successor means given number plus 1, or you can say the next number. What is the meaning of successor? Successor means the next number, or you will find successor by adding 1 in the given number. Okay, and how you will find the predecessor? Predecessor means the previous number, or you can say given number minus 1. So predecessor is given number minus 1, or you can say the previous number. So let's discuss all these 4 points again. First is natural numbers. Natural numbers are those which are starting from 1, or natural numbers are also known as counting numbers. Okay, see, if I'll ask you to count the number of students in your class, then how you will count? You will count like this now, 1, 2, 3, 4, or you will start like this, 100, 170, 200. No, na? You will always start from 1, right? So counting always, you will start counting always from 1. So natural number always starts from 1 because they are counting numbers, and where they will end? No end. They are infinite. Now whole numbers. Whole numbers are natural numbers along with the 0. So if I'll add 0 in the natural numbers, I'll get whole numbers. Clear? Next is successor. Successor means the next number or given number plus 1. Next is predecessor. Predecessor is the previous number, given number minus 1. We'll do all the things in the exercise also. So don't worry, I'll give you examples of all of these. Now let's start exercise 2.1. So in exercise 2.1, the first question is true false. This question you will do in book only, beta. First one is every whole number has a predecessor. So tell me, every whole number is a predecessor? No, it's not true in the case of 0. See, if I'll ask you what is the predecessor of 0? In the whole number only. Otherwise, though, predecessor of 0 is minus 1. But minus 1 is not a whole number, na? So there is no predecessor of 0 in the whole number. So first one is false. So in the same way, you will do question number 1. This is very easy, related to just a successor, predecessor, natural number and whole number, which we have already discussed. Now come on question number 2. Add the following using number line. Now you have to do second question, addition on the number line. First of all, I am telling you what is number line. We all know what is line, है ना? Line which can be extended from the both the direction. Line which can be extended from both the direction is called line, है ना? And what is the difference between line and line segment? Beta, line segment has two endpoints. You can't extend line segment, but line you can extend. So that's why I've drawn here line. Now, in between, you'll write the 0. Right side is represented by the positive numbers and left side is represented by the negative numbers. I'm drawing one number line here also. See, 0, here 1, 2, 3, equal gap you have to take, and this side will be -1, -2 and -3. If you want to extend it, for example, you have to show +5, then just extend it. See, now this is 4, this is 5. Clear? So this is a number line, you can extend it because this is a line. So this is number line. Now how you will show addition on number line? You don't want here negative numbers, so directly start from 0. Okay? Left side is always represented by negative numbers, but here you don't need it, so directly start from 0. The first one is 7 plus 4. We all know 7 plus 4 is 11, but here we need to show this on number line. So let's start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay? Please do take care of one thing. Whenever you are drawing a number line, use pencil and scale only. Don't draw with pen or with rough hand. You have to use pencil and scale. Fine? Now you have to show this on the number line. 7 plus 4 means you directly come 0 to 7. Directly you will come to 7 because this is 7 plus 4. So from 0 directly jump to 7. You can circle it also, and if you don't want to circle, it's okay. But this arrow you have to show. This arrow definitely will show. Circle, it's your wish, you want to circle the digit or not. Fine. Now 7 plus 4. Whenever you have to add on number line, you will always go right. Beta, I'm repeating. Whenever you have to add on number line, you will go right. And whenever you have to subtract, you will always go left. Okay? For addition, you will go right. For subtraction, you will go left. Okay? So this is addition. So you have to go right. Right side here, it is 4. Means you have to go 4 steps more. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So directly come here. Okay? On 4. Now, let's discuss question number 3, which is subtraction. Question number 3, subtraction. This question also you need to show on number line. So this is 12 minus 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. You have to subtract 4 from 12. So now you are on 12, right? You have to come 4 step back. Means 4 step in the left hand side because this is subtraction. For subtraction you have to come 4 step left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer? Your answer is 8. Clear? So for addition you will go right side and for subtraction you will come left side. Okay? Now question number 4 is multiply. 3 multiply 2. Beta, this also you need to show on number line. First of all, tell me what is multiplication. Multiplication is nothing but a repeated addition. Multiplication is nothing but a repeated addition. To avoid addition again and again, we multiply the numbers. For example, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. To add 3 5 times, the better option is to multiply 3 with 5 and answer you'll get the same. So now here it is 3 multiply 2. So how you will do it? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First of all, directly come on 3 because this number is 3. First number is 3. So directly come on 3. Now 3 multiply 2 is you have to add 3 2 times. Or you can say you have to go 3 steps 2 times. So now you are at 3. When you will move 3 steps again, you will reach at 6. So answer is 6. I am repeating how you will do it. 3 multiply 2 means 3. 3 steps you have to go 2 times. So first directly come on 3. Then again go 3 steps on the right hand side and you will get the answer. Question number 5 and 6 is successor and predecessor. We have already covered what is successor and what is predecessor. So now complete exercise 2.1 in your notebooks. Thank you everyone.